Hi, welcome to my channel. Please like, subscribe and press bell icon to get more simple fixes in your devices like this in your daily features. Here I will show how to fix your Windows key shortcuts in your devices. How to enable Windows key. Every model has different keyboard layout. First, you have to check whether your Windows key has any key function or not. In my cases, I use ROG model as a ROG model laptop. So I add the additional key functions in my Windows key. So I enable my Windows key by simply press function key plus Windows key. That's it. My Windows key is now enabled. You can also do the same step to enable your Windows keys. Thanks for watching and please don't forget to like and press subscribe button and bell icon to get more notifications incoming features like this. Thank you.